everyone, my name is Sonali and this is Translate.Video. Crafting quality YouTube content does not have to be overwhelming. Let me tell you about a couple of tools that you can use to create content from scratch. Every great video starts with an idea and a script. But where do you begin? Transform your scattered thoughts into a polished script. Whether you're looking for an original idea or you want to polish an already thought out script, ChatGPT has your back. Canva offers a goldmine of design tools, from creating thumbnails to end screen and everything in between. Create eye-catching designs effortlessly. Now, as you're done creating the videos, it is about time that you optimize your video for a broader audience. It is very important to add subtitles to your videos so that it can be reached by a broader audience. For that, you can use a tool called Translate.Video. Through Translate.Video, you can auto-generate as well as translate subtitles for all of your video content. Combine the power of these tools and you are equipped to create engaging content. If you like the video, do press the like button, and if you have any questions, put them down in the comment section below, and do subscribe to the channel for more videos. Thank you for watching.